Now the iPhone has a lot of features. Let me show you what you can do in your wallpaper settings. You go to your settings and scroll up into wallpaper. Now you can customize your wallpaper to use over 15 and more pictures as a wallpaper. So let's go. You tap on photo shuffle. Now choose photo manually or set up later. So I go ahead to choose manually. Okay, so into my album I have a wallpaper gallery set up. So I'm going to go ahead to click on everything on my list. Yes, add. Now, so you can customize this to suit your preference. Use your 2 finger to minimize this, suit my preference. Just minimize it. And you can also tap on the 3 dots on the bottom right. Now you can use this to set your shuffle frequency to either daily, hourly, on lock or on tap. You can tap on the bottom left to add or remove any pictures. So I can add or remove, I can add more pictures or remove any pictures here. So this is an amazing feature you should try out. And once we are done setting up, you can go ahead to add this saving, and that's it. So yeah, you can customize your home screen to suit your preference as well. Yeah, I like to turn off blur so you can see the picture clearly as well. So when we are done with this, we click on done. We've added our wallpaper and it's going to change hourly. Did you know you can drag pictures from your photo gallery into other apps? Okay, I'm going to use the wallpaper section I created earlier. So I'm going to press down on a picture and go ahead to tap on other pictures you want to add to the list. So now I can drag it. I'm going to close my picture. Let's see. Drag it into my notepad. So I'm going to create a new notepad. See, I can drop them here. Now that was very easy. But you can go ahead to just mark the pictures in your photo gallery and share them to your notepad, which could seem more easier. But here's just a tip you might want to try out once in a while. There's a lot of features you can use on your notepad. Now, holding down this World Wide Web button, I'm using a Grammarly keyboard. So you can add any kind of keyboard. You can download and add keyboards. You can do that in keyboard settings. If you click on keyboard settings, now this English US is the original keyboard pad that came. Now I can use this. You can switch to this because this offers one hand and right hand and left hand features. Let me show you. Let me press down the web. Right, this is a right hand feature. And this is a left hand feature. So if I click on right hand, now I can use my right hand to type without needing to rely on my left hand. And if you click on this arrow here on the left side, it returns the keypad to what it used to be. Now I can also do this to type with my left hand. Oh, you need to be on the US keyboard to do that. Now I switched from my Grammarly keyboard to my English US keyboard. I'm switching on left. See that? So I can type with my left hand without needing to rely on my right as well. So that's a good feature you need to know about. So turning it back. Now you can use it. Press down your space bar to move your cursor within type notes to edit something. So let's say I want to edit this. I just move my cursor there. So that can be the best you can see. So it's very easy to use. No stressed outcome. So pretty good. I think you should try it. The built-in iOS keyboard also have a swipe to type feature whereby you swipe around your keypad to form your words. Basic iPhone keyboard hack. So you see that it's quite easy to use. Also, you double tap on any word in the screen to highlight it. double tap on anywhere in the screen to highlight the last word, and triple tap on your words to highlight everything. There's also a great feature for how you would want your notifications to pop up on your lock screen. Tap into settings. Now tap on notifications. Here you can choose to customize your notifications to count. That's going to show on the bottom of your screen when it's locked. If you put it in stack, it's going to show on probably 20 to 30% of your screen when it's locked. And using lists only means going to show on your full screen when it's locked. Here are some great features you can try on your iPhone today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.